Everybody, we have loved doing Mickey and the Roadster Racer toys. And this one is awesome. You get to build Mickey's racer and then turn it into his roadster car. It's 2 in 1. So you can take it apart and it's got a little stand here so you can lift it up and put it together. It comes with a drill. So you can drill the screws in, and look at this, it actually talks.
Okay, pal, grab your tools. Building together is so much fun. Looking good.
Isn't that awesome? I can't wait to see what else it says. Here on the back, it shows you how you have all the pieces and you can put it together. So let's get this thing out of the box. I can't wait to check it out. We love watching Mickey and the Roadster Racers on Disney Junior. I loved Mickey Mouse in the Clubhouse, but Mickey and the Roadster Racers is even better. Here's our jack. And we gotta get the tape off. Looks like there's some instructions in there too. And here's the engine. That goes right here.
Roadster Racers, start your engines! Okay, pal, grab your tools. This is one rockin' Roadster Racer.
And we also have this little Mickey and the Roadster Racer beanie. Woohoo! He's a little big for this car, but he's gonna push the button for us.
Okay, pal, grab your tools.
Grab your tools. You gotta put together my car.
Okay, pal, grab your tools.
You heard what I said.
Roadster Racers, start your engines!
Roadster Racers, start your engines. Let's get that drill out. All right, we've got our lift. Now we've got to put our car on here so we can finish taking all the pieces off. And lift it up and then turn until it snaps into place. There we go. All right, now let's get those tires off. You've got a little switch here so you can choose whether you want to go forwards or backwards. All right, one tire. Now let's get this tire off. I love that you don't need batteries for the drill. That's awesome. Now we can take the front off and the back and the seats. Anything off back here? All right, we're down to the frame. Now let's build his little cruising car and then we'll build his race car. I'm really excited. Here's the front. Go, it snaps on just like that. And then we need a spoiler for the back. Here we go. Starting to look good. And we need seats. Very nice. And a windshield. Ooh, I like it. But we also need tires. We've got 4 small tires for his regular car. There we go. And we need a screw. And we're going to switch this back the other way. There we go. It's on there. Now we need another tire. There we go. Very good. Now let's do the other side. Ta-da! Mickey's car. It's awesome. Bring it down and let's see how it rolls. Woohoo! It rolls pretty good. Hot diggity dog. But Mickey needs to be ready for the races. Let's get this thing back up. He needs his race car really fast. Driving up. There we go. Now lift it up. Snap it into place. All right. Now let's take it apart and make his race car. We have all the pieces off again. Now it's time to build us a Roadster Racer. Here is the front end. There we go, number 28. But we also need an engine. And that goes right here.
Building together is so much fun. This is one rockin' Roadster Racer.
It is a rockin' Roadster Racer.
Okay, pal. Grab your tools.
And we need the silver seats. Goes right there. And the Mickey ears for the back. Wow, that looks cool. Now we need tires.
Hot rod diggity dog.
The big tires go on the back. There we go.
Looking good.
It is looking good.
This is one rockin' Roadster Racer.
It is. Wow, it looks so good. And if you want, you can change things out. And you can put the other spoiler on. Go like this. And you have the windshield. There we go. You can even put the windshield on like this. And you get a complete cover. It looks like Mickey Mouse. What a cool Roadster Racer. And you can change out the seats if you want. Put in white seats. Here's some other cool Mickey toys we've done. These were from the Disney store. And this is Minnie Mouse's car. And here is Minnie. And here is Daisy's car, her Snapdragon. And here is our little Daisy figure. And these transform. And they're also pullback racers. Let's transform Minnie Mouse's car. There we go. Into her race car. And she's number 89. Pull it out. And then we'll put Minnie down inside. Ta-da! Number 89 is ready to race. Here we go. Here's Daisy's. We're going to pull this off. Pull this up. And pull this out. And we've got Daisy's Snapdragon number 4 race car. I love it. Here we go. Super Racer. But I really enjoyed sharing these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.